Kakagising ko lang and i-unbox natin tong package from Adore Beauty. Wala kasi akong pang-open. These are the package that I got. So, first one tayo is the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. And it looks something like this. Open lang natin. Oh, yan bango. Nung mas bata-bata pa ako, I really had a good hair. Pero ngayon, parang hindi ko na siya naaalagaan. I wanted to take care of it and really invest on products that would help make my hair longer and healthier. And also, I saw this one on my TikTok, Instagram, and sabi ko sa sarili ko, matry nga to. So, that's the first. This is freebies, guys. They gave me the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother in a travel size naman. This is very handy. I also got the Olaplex No. 7. Kita ba? Kita niyo na? Meron na akong oil. That is from a brand called this one. I just forgot. For that one, it's just heavier for my hair. Hate na hate ko yung mabigat na feeling sa buhok. But, yung perfume naman nila, napakabango. I'm going to just open it for you guys to see. Focus. Ito siya. Yan. Uy, parang very floral siya. Kasi yung una ko was honey. Napakabango. And again, this is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. The third is the Kerastase Thermal for my hair because wala na akong thermal, guys. This is the Anti-Frizz Antioxidant Thermic Serum. This is good for sensitized or damaged color-treated hair. I'm keeping my brown hair, so dinaday ko siya every 3 months. And again, this one I saw everywhere, so I really want to try this also. Amuyin lang natin. Pabango. This is so good. I'm excited to try it later. Yung dalawang freebies pa nila, mayroon silang silicone patch cleanser. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, but this is how it looks like. Yes, ayan. So the last one for their freebies is this Philip Kingsley Elastizer. This is a deep conditioning treatment, guys, and I'm excited to use them later pag maligo na ako. So that's that. And wala na, guys. Kita niyo naman. Again, I bought all of them from Adore Beauty. Yung original talaga na binili ko is 3, pero meron silang dinagdag na 3 items na freebies. That is something that really nice about Adore Beauty or purchasing online kasi may pa-freebies talaga sila. Like I said to you, I just woke up. So yeah, magkape muna ako and bye-bye!